Welcome back to Kids Learning by Tanisha. Today we're going to make pistachio shells earrings. Project will be needing pistachio shells. We'll be needing flat post earrings. We'll be needing earring backs. We'll be needing some nail polish. We'll be needing some wood glue. We'll be needing silver and gold ball chains. We'll be needing glue gun. So let's get started. First, you're going to take your pistachio shell and fill it with hot glue, and then you're going to let them dry. Now take your flat post earrings and paste them on the back of the pistachio shells. Now I'm going to paint my pistachio shells with nail polish. You also have to paint the back. And I'm using pink color. You can use any color. Now let them dry. Now you can be leaving your earring like that, but I'm going to take a ball chain and my E6000 glue and stick the ball chain on the sides of my pistachio shell. Guys, I noticed that E6000 glue works so much better than wood glue. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so cute. What do you think? These are so nice. Oh my gosh, I think I will sell them. You guys can make any designs, but I'm making a design according to me. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, share, and like, and bye!